In a world overflowing with information, how do we find what's true? The answer separates a simple opinion from a truly informed argument. It's the skill of research, not just collecting facts, but systematically investigating them. First, understand that not all evidence is equal. A soldier's diary from a battlefield is a primary source. A textbook analyzing the war is secondary. An academic journal is scholarly, rigorously peer-reviewed. A blog post is not. This hierarchy is your first filter. But finding sources is just the start. You have to become a detective, interrogate everything. Who wrote this? What are their credentials? That's authority. And more importantly, why does this exist? Is it to inform, or is its real purpose to persuade you or sell you something? All sources have a perspective, but some biases are designed to mislead. For decades, the tobacco industry funded its own research. Their goal wasn't to find truth, but to manufacture doubt about the link between smoking and cancer. They cherry-picked data and emphasized uncertainty, successfully delaying regulation for years. This is evidence used as a weapon. So, strong research is more than a scavenger hunt. It's about seeing the difference between correlation and causation. Just because ice cream sales and drownings both rise in summer doesn't mean one causes the other. It's about synthesizing different sources to create a new understanding, not just listing what others have said. Ultimately, it's about building a trustworthy argument with intellectual humility, acknowledging what you don't know. That's how you move from just holding an opinion to actually contributing to knowledge.